So right away we thought, hey, this is a good time to do an action. So we did an action. It seemed like all the media outlets were like, wow, this thing's about to end, like this mosquito fogging doesn't work. Nobody benefits from it. In fact, people are harmed by it. Things that we're trying to tell the media for years had been put in the newspaper, on TV, on the radio. Now the next year comes around. They only fog a couple months in the summer. Next year comes around. Like I said, institutional memory. They got a very poor institutional memory. So we're going out, we do these blockades again, we do these actions again, thinking, okay, they're going to be a little bit more intelligent. Then they're asking the same stupid questions they did years before. Like, well, how do you expect people to enjoy the summer if we don't fog for mosquitoes? And I was talking to a reporter from the newspaper that actually printed in the previous year's news that it didn't work. So I was like, well, how can you ask me this question? Your own newspaper says that this doesn't work. So aren't we past that? Aren't we past this point? So I found like it was just like a backslide into the same old darkness that they had come from before. We had this one bright year and then it just disappeared. So yeah, it was super frustrating trying to advance an issue beyond just these basic questions. And